Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now for this machine we replaced the generator, the one that you see right here. This one was not letting water pass through the machine, and as you can see some kind of leaking coming around through here the machine on the generator, as well as some water damage around it. And yep, it was not working the way it's supposed to, so now it is. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. We're gonna be using the medium settings of the machine. Perfect. Always coffee grounds go through there. As you can see, now we got a nice steady flow coming out of the machine. 3.5 ounces, which is what we have it over here. So let's just put it up to 2 and redo that again. There. As you can see, nice steady flow coming out of the machine, working perfectly fine. And perfect, 2 ounces, which is what we have right here. We also going to check the steamer, but I'll be right back. Okay, now we're gonna be testing the hot water of the machine. And as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the one, really good temperature, working perfectly fine. And now for the steam, which is going to take a little bit for the thermoblock to heat up. The thermoblock being the generator that we just replaced. So this thing needs to heat up to temperature, and once it gets to temperature, water will go through here and into the. We go through here and exit out through here. And as you can see, when now thermoblock is getting up temperature. There you go, now it's time to get some pressure in there, and as you can see, working perfectly fine. We have it open so you don't really get to see it that much, but as you can see, good steam coming out of the one, good pressure, working great. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.